Hi, I'm Stacia, aka Raw Boss, and the founder of Raw Food Challenge JA, which hosts our 21 Days Raw Challenges. In January 2019, I decided to change to a plant-based lifestyle, and it has totally transformed my mind and body. I have had a weight loss of over 45 pounds. My energy increased, my mental clarity improved, and it also helped to relieve me of horrible monthly period cramps. So now I'm on a mission to inspire as many people as is possible to make healthier lifestyle choices, not just for physical appearance and looks, but for their overall health and well-being. One of the things I look forward to are the raw progress stories from members of the Raw fam, like Stephanie, who has PCOS and fibroids, but while on the Raw Food Challenge, her cyst on one of her ovaries disappeared. Her fibroids shrunk by 1 centimeter. Her waistline was significantly reduced and her bloating disappeared. And Kenisha, who had weight loss of approximately 17 pounds, her PCOS symptoms were alleviated. Phew! Her waistline significantly reduced and her confidence boosted. If that doesn't make you happy, I don't know what else will. I'm excited to be a part of a movement that impacts, changes, and transforms people's lives. Good nutrition, physical activity, adequate sleep, rest and hydration, healthy human interaction, more laughter, less stress, intentional deep breathing and meditation. Indulge in nature, breathe fresh air and take in some sun. Do more of the things that make you happy and positively impact the lives of those around you.